Welcome to the enchanting world of Minecraft. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating behaviors of villagers. Doors are fundamental structures in Minecraft, allowing players and villagers to navigate through different areas. So, can villagers actually open wooden doors? Yes, villagers can open wooden doors just like players can. Wooden doors can be opened by both players and villagers, whereas iron doors can only be opened with a redstone signal. Villagers often need to access their workstations for trading and other activities. This requires opening doors. As villagers navigate their village, doors play a critical role in their movement and routines. When designing a village, considering how villagers use doors can significantly improve their functionality and efficiency. To optimize your village, ensure doors are accessible and placed to enhance villager flow between different areas. Be cautious, as villagers can inadvertently lead zombies to doors, exposing them to danger if not guarded properly. In conclusion, villagers' ability to open doors plays an essential role in Minecraft gameplay, enhancing interaction and village dynamics.